Dear students, I am Marjit, working as an assistant professor in IT branch in MLUTC Bilwada. Today, we are discussing an important topic of the mobile computing is the service catalog. We are discussing about the service catalog. So, in the service catalog, we have all the knowledge regarding the client and server communication. Like every time the client is requesting to the server, and a server is giving the response, and so on, as we all know the client server communication. So the client is always directly in the touch with the services. This is the very important part. Means the client is always in the interaction with the services. This is the main part of the service catalog. So a service catalog is basically a catalog of the services so that we can identify the which service is required, and it is a different type of the collection of the catalog of the services. Means which type of the services is required by the client. So in the service catalog, it has the appropriate protocol suits. So we can also say that it is the appropriate protocol protocol suits, which are the following the standard principle, standard principle which follow the standard principle principles which follow the standard principle. So the basically the advantage of the service catalog are the first is it dramatically reduce the multicast traffic. It reduce the multicast traffic. It reduces the multicast traffic. So that because once the service catalog are discovered, means which type of the services is required, multicast is not necessary for the future service discovery or the service advertisement. So first thing is that it will reduce the multicast traffic. So and the other, if we are discussing the advantage of the service catalog, the other advantage is that the discovery is extended beyond the multicast radius of the local network. Means the discovery is extended is extended beyond the beyond the multicast radius of the local network, because the location of the remote service catalog can be configured. So this is the other advantage. And the next advantage is that it will works like the bridging protocol that connect the service catalog, maybe enable global service discovery. Means the it will works like the bridging protocols bridging protocol, so that uh, bridging protocols are that connect the services catalog. It connect the services catalog may enable the global service discovery. So it is the easily available for all that. So this is basically about the service catalog. Thanks.